Presenting the cornerstone of this corps, the distinguished Corps of Staffs. Leading this prestigious corps is the Corps Commander, Cadet Colonel General Eric Rojas, ACPE. Standing firmly by her side is the Deputy Corps Commander, Cadet Colonel Samuel P. Santoro, ACPE. Completing this triumvirate of leadership is their Chief of Staffs, Cadet Colonel Kyle Vincent, F. Tenorio, ACPE. Now we present the Vanguard of Discipline, the brave First Squadron. Leading this formidable group is no other than the Lieutenant Colonel Elijah Lionel V. Palma, ACPE. And a steadfast dedication to duty under his leadership is the First Squadron, continues to soar with purpose, precision, and pride. Composed with individuals molded through dedication and duty, this squadron stands tall and proud. The second squadron, leading its exceptional team, is no other than the Lieutenant Colonel Cian Gabriel Ermina, a leader defined by strength, integrity, and unwavering commitment. Once again, under his command is the second squadron. The class na Takulani /10-25 ang sandatahang nagtitili kapag ng talaga at nagpapalakas para sama-sama ang pinahang taas. Class na Nakina Batch 10-26 sa mga kabulan sa Argentina at isip na kasang throughout their officers and their cadet officer qualifying course. These remarkable cadets, excellence, leadership, and unwavering commitment have been remarkable. Champion of flight drill competition, their blessed vice leader is Cadet Colonel Samuel Isandova, ACPE. Best field sweeper, Cadet Colonel Racing Lord D. Giniba, ACPE. Second place in field sweeping, male group category, and third place in compass relay competition. Once again, Batch Tataglani and Batch Sandakilaw.